Namaste. Hello everyone. Welcome to Mysticistis. How are you all? Hope you're all doing good. Stay safe. Here is yet another episode of Mystic Talks. Before we begin, I have a question to you all. Do you believe in your dreams? Not the ones which you wish for or aim for in life. I'm asking you about the dreams which you see when you are asleep. Do you know that most of the dreams have hidden meaning behind it? If you look deeply into it, you'll understand that it has some connection with your life, even though it doesn't seem like it has at first. So, today I'll be sharing with you some common interpretations of the dreams which you see very often. So, let's get into the video. Number 1. Dream where you are being chased by someone or something. This indicates that you are avoiding issues in your life instead of facing them. Maybe your brain is trying to send you the signal that something needs your immediate attention and you need to face that problem. Number 2. Dream of falling from somewhere. This dream may indicate the anxiety and loss of control in your life. This is a dream which people see most often. It's believed to be a sign that something in your life is going out of control, whether it is your job, your relationship, or money related issues. Number 3. Dream of being naked in public. Though relatively rare, the dream of being naked is a sign of insecurity, lack of self-confidence, shame, or feelings of vulnerability. Another interpretation is that dreaming of being naked may be a message to become free, enjoy your freedom, and break the ties that keep you chained. Number 4. Dream about flying. Most flying dreams are pleasant, happy, and exciting. This could mean that you are experiencing something good in your life for most of the cases. But it could also be interpreted as a sign that your ego is increasing and you should control your pride. Number 5. Dream about failing in your exams. If you are a student, these dreams are obviously a part of the exam related anxiety. But if you are older and have graduated a long time ago and still have this dream, then you are definitely worrying about something in your life where you will face failure. Usually, these type of dreams relate to your performance in your job. This could also indicate your fear of survival in this world or maybe a particular incident which you are worried about. Number 6. The dream of the dead. To see or talk to the dead in your dream is kinda a warning that negative circumstances or people are influencing you. It may also be a way for you to resolve your feelings with those who have passed away. If you dream of a person who has died a long time ago, then it may suggest that a current situation or relationship in your life resembles the quality of that person or some incidences related to that person. Number 7. The dream of a murder. To dream that you have committed a murder usually is a subconscious expression of some suppressed aggression or rage at yourself or at someone you know. To dream that you witness a murder indicates your anger towards somebody. To dream that you are murdered suggests that some important and significant relationship has been destroyed and you are trying to disconnect yourself from your emotions. Number 8. Dream about being trapped somewhere. To dream about being trapped tends to mean that you're just worried about your current situation. This can mean your job, relationship, or could be anything you're anxious about. A dream about being trapped in a small space usually means you're not just happy with where you are right now and you want to change that situation. Number 9. Dream about fallen teeth. Generally, according to experts, it indicates personal loss, stress, and insecurity. It could indicate anxiety. It could mean that you are scared or worried about some changes. Some may dream about teeth falling out due to low self-confidence or an inner feeling of being powerless or weak. In some cases, it may be the brain's way of telling you that you need to visit a dentist. Number 10. Dream about demons or ghosts. To dream about a demon is usually the result of watching too much horror films or reading about them. It's not a natural thing to dream about. Almost everything else you dream about comes from actual life experiences. It could also represent something evil though. Commonly, people think demons are evil and bad. So, to dream about them might mean you are anxious or feel bad about something that is going on in your life, or it could indicate something in real life maybe someone you're afraid of, or some incidences which you're worried about. So that was for today's video. If you like it, give it a big fat thumbs up. If you don't like it, dislike the video. And if you have something to tell me, you can comment down below. And yes, I'll come up with good new contents in my future videos. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also watch my zodiac sign series videos. A few more signs are left. So yes, I'll see you in my next video. Until then, peace out.